If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can simply go to the Quick Share menu, which I think the easiest way to find it and open it is by using the Quick Settings panel over here, or the Control Center. So you can tap on the Quick Share button over here. If you want to send files, then of course you want to go to the Send menu, and then in here you should be able to select anything that you want to send to someone. Now in here in this menu, you can of course try to find whichever files you want to transfer. Here you can use these additional categories, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner to try to use any of these categories here, which are going to be helpful to, of course, locate your files. So let's say I'm going to choose this picture over here. Then here at the bottom, you should be able to scan for nearby devices. So as long as they have Quick Share activated on their devices, then of course you should be able to detect them. You can also generate a QR code instead if there is like a trouble with detecting another smartphone. And of course, Quick Share on Google Pixel 11 works with AirDrop as well. So if you want to transfer your files to an iPhone, then you want to make sure that they have, or they want to make sure that they have the AirDrop set to everyone for 10 minutes, that the visibility is enabled for them. And on the other hand, if you want to receive files, then I think the best way to actually make sure that it's going to work is to go to this receive menu, because as long as you are here, the visibility is set to everyone on your phone temporarily. So you can stay here to get all your files, but it is not really required to be here if you just change the visibility in settings. So you can, for example, tap on your phone over here on this information to go to the Quick Share settings. Here you can choose who can share with you, just make sure that visibility is enabled, and then there's also everyone for 10 minutes. So of course, if you have this option set up just like that, you don't really need to be in the Quick Share menu. You should be able to get a notification about receiving files, or that someone is trying to send you some files. So of course, then you can decide if you want to receive them or not. And besides that, a similar menu over here with Quick Share settings can be found by just going to Settings on your phone. Over here, we can go to Connected Devices and choose Connection Preferences, and here we can find Quick Share. And last but not least, you don't really need to go to Quick Share menu over here in order to be able to transfer files. You should be able to simply use a share button in any app where you can use some files, like for example in the Photos app, or maybe in the File Manager, and the Files app, of course. So in here, if you choose any file whatsoever, then you should be able to use the share button, and then here you can find the Quick Share option. And it is also possible that you will find Quick Share devices, or devices via Quick Share, here listed in this place where now it says no recommended people to share with. So yeah, you can just go here and all your files are going to be selected immediately. So you don't have to look for them in that different menu over there. And you can just use your app that you feel comfortable with. And besides that, even here in the main menu of the Files app, you can find this Quick Share button. So you can even use this over here to jump to Quick Share option. So as you can see, there are many different ways to access Quick Share and many different ways to use it. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.